Hello, Tiger Nation. This is Breckenridge County High School Principal Adam Cox here with you for our daily update here on our website. This is Wednesday, December the 12th, and I've got some updates just for what's going on this week and the upcoming weeks. As we are down to just 12 days of school left, count today, so it is a fast moving, but I will like to kind of get everybody up to speed with what's going on before we go to Christmas break. Um, First and foremost, I'd like to congratulate our Fighting Tiger basketball team, our Lady Tiger basketball team, for starting the seasons off 1-0. Both teams were victorious last night at Evans County High School, so very, very proud of our Fighting Tigers, Lady Tigers for starting off the season on a good note. We are off tonight, but tomorrow night, Thursday, December the 5th, our Fighting Tigers will be hosting LaRue County here at Tiger Arena, and our girls basketball team will be traveling to Davis County. And then on Friday, both our boys and girls will be traveling to Frederick Fraze for a district matchup there. Also, like to wish our archery team good luck as they will be hosting their annual archery tournament that is on Friday and Saturday of this week. The next couple weeks coming up, just to keep everybody in the loop of what's going on. Again, we don't have very many days left before Christmas break. On Tuesday of next week, the 10th, our 9th, 10th, 11th graders will be taking a practice ACT. So I'd like to wish all of them good luck on that. There are some opportunities to get some exemptions, so please encourage your child to take that very serious. Seniors will be taking the Coyote exam on the 10th, so that is an opportunity for some of them to get marked as college ready. So wish them nothing but good luck. We will also next weekend, we will be having our BCHS choir be having their Christmas concert on Sunday, December the 15th, and then just a reminder for everyone out there that we will be having finals on the 18th and 19th. That's that Wednesday and Thursday on the last 2 days of school there before we're out. So on the Wednesday, we'll be having periods 1, 3rd, 5th, and 7th period finals. And on the last day of school, we'll be having periods 2nd, 4th, and 6th finals. So that concludes this week's or this morning's Tiger update. So everybody, I'll leave you how we start every day here at the school. Everybody have a great day, work really hard, and be a champion.